Before starting to create the pipeline, let's head over to the repositories section and show you what we will be deploying first. I have a repository where I have three apps. This is an ASP NET Core application. This is an Ionic application, and this one is an Angular application. I added them all to the same repository, and I will show you how to deploy to have separate pipelines, even if you have a single repository. But we'll start with this one. So if I expand this, I can see that I have several folders over here, and one of them contains the ASP NET Core application. And here we have the solution file.